Hello out there, everyone. Your favorite YouTube person as far as CB radios goes and weather-related videos. It's me. It's Radio Nut R, and I would like to show you a new radio toy I just got from Virginia today. As you can see, it came in a flat rate box. Looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. We can figure out how to do that. Has it got a pull tab on it? Tape. Okay, here we go. Got to be smarter than the box. Well, that leaves me out. Anyway, this was sent to me by my friend in Virginia, Brian. He lives out there in Appomattox, Virginia. Not sure what that is, but we'll check it out. Microphone? It's a Sears. Nice big radio. And as you can see, it is a Sears 40 channel AM sideband mobile radio. Isn't it beautiful? Look how clean it is. Anyway, next thing is the test functionality, but that will be another video. Again, Sears Roadtalker 40 AM sideband. Thanks for watching.